Please, any more questions from what we did before the first session ended, so that I can answer that before we look at some examples with Boom 500. If you have any question, you can ask. Then we'll go on with Boom 500. All right. So let's look at this opportunity here on Boom 500. As you can see, it rejected on the Bollinger Band here. And then at the level 90, what did we see? We see our moving average breakout, and then it's reversing back into what? Into the Bollinger Band. What do? We take ourselves. So this would have been our entry here. And then we will milk that to the middle Bollinger Band here. And then we move out with our profit. Because as I said, the middle Bollinger Band serves as what? As a support level. So once you get there, you can do what? You can take your profit. Okay, you don't need over 1 million pips or 2,000 pips to be rich in this boom and crash market. You just need some few pips. It's all about good money management, and then you are good to go. Then let's see. There is another opportunity here. As you can see, the moving average breakout of the Bollinger Band hit the level 90 and then came back in. What do we see? A price rejected at the upper Bollinger Band here. So what do? Once this second confirmation comes, this will be our entry, and then you would have moved up to the middle Bollinger Band here and then be out. Remember, this is 15-minute time frame. As I said, you use either 15 minutes or 1 hour to do your entry, but then you should use daily and weekly time frames for your alignment confirmation. Okay, for your alignment confirmation, and you can get a lot of these opportunities in the market. You can get a lot of these opportunities in the market. I have most of my guys on my page that are using these strategies to milk the market. First of all, I want to say a very big shout out to my mentor, Stock. He's my mentor, a very great mentor, always ready to help and always ready to assist anytime we need his help. Today, I'm honored to be on this call, being the one leading this call and this training session from the opportunity he has given me. I'm very grateful to you, mentor, and I'm looking forward to many of these webinars in the future. All right, so as I said, this works on other volatility pairs as well. It's the same principle. So if you don't have any other question concerning the crash and boom, we can take a look at one or two pairs, VO75 and co, and see how best we can use them also using this strategy. This video will be available. So if you need the video, I'll speak with Stock, so you can check our YouTube channel, and then you watch from there. All our strategy videos are on the YouTube channel. You can watch from there. They are all free strategies, and a lot of people are making money with it, and the testimonies are coming in. I can see you, Mr. Festus. I can see you on the call, Mr. Festus. Handsome man. Mentor one, Stock. I salute you. All right, so let's quickly look at VO75. Let's look at VO75. So let me drop VO75 on the chart. Because I know after crash and boom, a lot of people like trading VO75. So here we are with VO75. I love it. I love it because it's very volatile and it moves very fast and gives a lot of opportunity, especially when you are using the 15-minute time frame. But it gives very, very strong opportunities when you are using H1. Once you get the confirmation on H1, you just ride it. no looking back, no looking back. Just that you won't get a lot of opportunities on H1 as you do when you are using M15. So the day I want more opportunities, I use M15. But the day I just want some few trades, I just use H1. And the same thing applies here as I explained on boom and crash. First of all, we come to our weekly to see what is happening on the weekly time frame. And as we can see, the week is on what? An uptrend. We are on what? A bullish move with the weekly. And then our daily is also on what? On a bullish move. So within today, we would have only been looking at what? Buying this market. We only be looking at what? Buying this market. Or we'll be looking at what? Buying opportunity in this market. Yeah. Somebody was saying something. Okay, let me continue. So we only be looking for buying opportunities. Okay, so what is that going to happen is we have to, this is our day one, so we go to our H1 and look for buying opportunities. So what do we see on H1? On the main chart, I saw a buying opportunity, but on my candles and my indicator window, I've not seen any buying opportunity. So I'm not going to take that trade. I'm not going to enter that trade. Why? Because this broke out of the middle Bollinger Band, but then it didn't break it back up. It only bounced and then fell again. So this didn't confirm this buy for me. So I would have allowed this trade to go. I would have allowed this opportunity to go. But then I can go back to 15 minutes and see if there is a confirmation there. And yes, we have confirmations on 15 minutes. How do I mean? We know already that we are on an uptrend. We are on an uptrend. So what do we see here? Here, this is our middle Bollinger Band. Price rejected. Why? Price rejected here, break above our middle Bollinger. So this is a breakout opportunity. Now, after this price break here, what did we see? This our moving average broke the middle Bollinger Band. And then here it bounced back, here it bounced back, here it bounced back. So here all we will not enter until here. What did we see? Now it break above. It break the middle Bollinger Band above. So for that, this is our second rejection here. So we would have entered this trade here and ride it to the upper Bollinger Band and take our profit. And take our profit. Very, very important. Very, very important. So this is the beauty of this whole strategy. You can use it on any pair and it will work perfectly well as you are using it on boom and crash. It's not going to fail you. Once you have followed all the rules, you should be in what? A very good profit. So let's see another opportunity here. As you can see, there was a rejection on the upper Bollinger Band here. What do we see? Our moving average broke out of what? The Bollinger Band in the indicator window and re-entered over here. So over here, this is where my entry will be made. So my sell entry would have been made here. It would have gone into some few pips of drawdown, and then boom, you take your profit over here on the middle Bollinger Band of the main chart. And then that is a lot of what? Pips for you, because this is for 75. So you can just imagine the number of what pips you'll be making. Then we can look at another opportunity. Let me see. Where is that next opportunity? All right, so here we can see another opportunity here, even two opportunities. Here on the lower Bollinger Band, there is what? A rejection. You can see bullish engulfing here, which is confirming a rejection. Now, when you come down to the indicator window, you can see our blue moving average breaking the lower Bollinger Band and now moving back and breaking it upward to move back into what? Into the channel. What do we see? That is what is confirming our entry. So we would have entered this market on this candle, and then we ride it at least up toward our middle. You scalp that one, and then you are out. Immediately you finish, there is another one waiting for you here. There is a rejection over here on our upper Bollinger Band, and then over here too we have seen a breakout of the moving average and then another break in. So our entry would have been what? Would have been here, and then we would have right into what? To the middle Bollinger Band. So here you can see price was ranging, so you would have just be scalping this. Okay, so if you have any questions on this also, you can quickly ask, and then you explain it. Here also you can see this opportunity. There was a rejection here on the lower Bollinger Band indicating a sell opportunity. And right here on our indicator window, we can see this break out and then break in. Okay, so our entry would have been out here, and we would have write that and scalp that opportunity as well. Okay. Yeah, please, I'd like to take some questions so that I can wrap up this session. And if stock have anything for us, you let us know. So the floor is open for questions, please.
Good evening.
Fine evening.
Sir. Please, I wasn't around when you were putting up the setups. So please, okay. I don't know if you can repeat that aspect for me.
No problem.
All right.
So with the main chart, those of you using PC, I'll give this indicator, the tri-Bollinger, I'll give it to stock. Stock will drop it on the page for all of you. But those of you using phone, the Bollinger Band, you use the normal Bollinger Band, and then the setting is period is 34, deviation is 1.619, and applied to should be close. That is for the main chart. So those of you using phone, on the main chart, you use the normal Bollinger Band, and then you use period 34, deviation 1.619, apply to close. Then you select the style you like, and then you click on hot. Okay. So that is for the main chart. When you come to the indicator window, we have the RSI. This is the settings. We have the period to be 1. We are using period 1. Apply to close. Then the style, if you are using phone, it should be the color should be the color of your background, of your chart background. Okay. But if you are using PC, just select none for the style, because we don't need it. The only thing we need here is the levels. So set level 90 and level 10. That is all we need. After that, you click on hot. Okay. Then the moving average, the period is what? 5. The period is 5. Method is exponential. Using exponential. Apply to close. And then you can select the color of your choice. When you are done, you click on OK. With the Bollingers, you use period 34, deviations 1.619, apply to previous indicators data. Okay, that is what you'll be using. Then the star, you choose the color of your choice. Once you are done, you click on OK. So you have the same settings as I have here. Okay, you have the same settings as I have here. Now, I want to say once more that I'm very grateful for the opportunity this evening. If there is no other question, then I'll leave the platform for my mentor to continue.
Hello, sir. Hello,
yeah,
sir.
hello.
I have another question.
Okay.
This costume Bollinger indicator that I have, HCMTF Bollinger Band for MT5 with alert.
Okay.
That is the name, and it have its own settings.
Okay.
Now, I have been cross-checking it with the Bollinger Band and the moving average 5 settings.
Okay.
And I discovered that in many of the cases, when moving average 5 broke, oversold and broke out from the Bollinger Band, and they went back, and at the end of the day, when it broke this middle Bollinger Band, that whenever price go to the Bollinger Band, the auto Bollinger Band settings.
Yeah.
I mean on my main chart, that the price the market do come back to this Bollinger Band, and they still went back to upper Bollinger Band and still come back to the Bollinger Band. And according to you, if we are taking the first trade, which when the moving average 5 broke and they then went back, if we take and we take our profit at the second Bollinger Band, we should not take any other trade. Is that it?
No. What I mean to say is, you can, like, the middle Bollinger Band is always our TP1. Okay. So once you take that and there is another opportunity, you can pick that trade. Okay, but if there is no other opportunity, you wait until you have another opportunity. But then if you like, this another thing you can do. If you like, if you want to take profit at the middle Bollinger Band, okay, once you have a very good profit, just move your SL into profit. Okay, lock some of your profit and allow the trade to run. That is the second thing I can tell you.
Yeah, no, I am what my question is this. What they don't get my question. Okay, for example, now in an uptrend, in an uptrend, and the market went to the second Bollinger Band, and you take profit there, and the market breaks the second Bollinger Band, and went to the third Bollinger Band, then and pulled back to middle Bollinger Band, and then divert back buying going up to the Bollinger Band. Should we still follow to take the trade, or should we just allow because
I get you now. That was why you see that I was explaining another thing here, that sometimes the signal will come at the middle Bollinger Band. When you see the signal at the middle Bollinger Band, after maybe you have taken your profit, and then the signal retraces back to the middle Bollinger Band and gives you opportunity. Once the two of them match, the main chart and the indicator window match again, you can still take that trade in the direction of the market.
Okay.
All right. Please, any other question? All right. So if there is no other question, once again, my name is Prof. Dr. Trillion Pounds, popularly known as Smart, Mr. Smart, and my mentor is Stock Lord, as you all know him, the Pip Master, Stock Lord, and I'm privileged to have this webinar with you guys today. I hope to come your way again another time. I'm the owner of Echo Mindset. Maybe he will introduce me when he comes on board. Mentor, over to you.
I thank you very much, sir, for your lecture this night.
Welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.